Meet Susan. Susan does her travel expense reporting in SAP Concur. However, she would like to have a travel assistant that can validate her electronic invoices before sending her expense report. So she got AxosMoney. With the AxosMoney app, you can validate your invoice, classify your expenses, and of course, send your report for approval. AxosMoney now has even more new features for you and your team. Easily filling data with our smart receipt capture, verify your company's fields, and get notifications when your expenses are validated or your reports are created with our automated report assistant. In this way, you speed up the registration and verification of your expenses directly from your smartphone. Susan requests to all the businesses she visits during her trip to send her electronic invoices to her email address. As soon as she receives the invoices, she can forward them to receipts@axosnet.com, and in seconds, she will be able to view them in the app. AxosMoney will display a notification of the invoices that were correct or invalid, so Susan can request at that moment to create a new tax receipt in case it was incorrect. AxosMoney assists Susan by suggesting an expense type according to the company name of the invoice she is classifying. Considering the time savings achieved by letting AxosMoney assist her, Susan decides to send to SAP Concur the invoices that were valid. With our new automatic report assistant, you have the control, since from the app, she can open a new or existing report which is pre-filled automatically with data such as tax ID, company name, total, and fiscal folio. This makes the travel validation process automated, which is today's thing. At the end of the trip, Susan knows that everything she recorded is in SAP Concur, fiscally verified, so her report is ready to be sent to the approver. What are you waiting to be like Susan? Seize the change and decide to automate your business trips with AxosMoney.